What is a proportion? Okay. According to Latin etymology, it is a relationship between one thing and another. We have two guys, Bill and Bob. Bob has apples. Bill has oranges. Now, every time that Bob gives Bill 5 apples, Bill gives Bob 3 oranges. Okay? And that is a proportion. For every 5 apples, there'll be 3 oranges. Boom. Okay, so what is a continued proportion? Well, here's how this one works. Do you remember a long time ago when I told you when it comes to a ratio, that is the antecedent and that's the consequent? That's the antecedent and that's the consequent. Okay. Now, what about a continued proportion? Well, that means that you have a series of ratios like this. Okay? And the consequent of one ratio becomes the antecedent of the next one. And the consequent of this ratio becomes the antecedent of the next one. And it goes on and on and on. Okay? That's how a continued proportion works. It's when the consequent of one ratio becomes the antecedent of the next one in a continued series. And that is a continued proportion. Alright. I will tell you more in a future video, so stay tuned.